Alright, in today's video, we're going to talk about how to get a free hotel with ChoiceHotels.com. The website is ChoiceHotels.com. It's an international chain with locations all over the world. If you're from the US and you find a lower rate, they match the lower rate and give you a $50 Visa card. If you're from Canada, they match the lower rate and give you a $50 Canadian Visa gift card. If you're a resident of any other country besides the US or Canada, this is a great deal for you still. If you book with Choice Hotels and then find a lower rate, your first night's free. There's no minimum amount of nights you need to book. You just have to book at least one night, and then that one night is going to be free. You'll just have to pay any additional taxes if there are any tourist taxes in that city, which tends to happen, and it's always like a couple bucks. When I did this in New York, the tourist tax was like $5. The guarantee. Free nights issued to international residents are subject to the following terms. The room rate for approved bookings that are one night will be discounted to $0. Alright, the best value for this deal is using this with multiple people. I know you're going to want to try to book multiple best rate guarantees night after night, but they limited it to per person, per account, for every 30 days. So you can't check in with your name and say, I have these multiple bookings, I'd like to put them together so I don't have to check in and check out. You can't do that. But if you're traveling with another person, you could book, you could go for the best price guarantee and book multiple nights for the same hotel. So person A books Friday, person B books Saturday, and then you have a nice free weekend. So what you want to do in this situation is, after you check in for the first night, you don't want to check out of the room and get resituated. You just go to the front desk, tell them like, hey, this is my name, I have a reservation for tonight, I'm already staying with this person, and is it possible to combine a reservation so we don't have to move our stuff? This makes things easier for the hotel staff anyway, and more than likely they'll comply. So that's how you get a free weekend with Choice Hotels. For US residents, don't be too disappointed, because sometimes you can find hotel rates for less than $50. That means you'll actually make money on this deal. So let's say you're looking for a hotel, they have them all over the world. You find a hotel in somewhere in the middle of Tennessee for $43 a night. You make your best price guarantee, they'll match it to $43, they'll send you a $50 Visa gift card, you're up $7. Canadian residents, it's going to be a little more difficult, but US residents, you still have it pretty good for these budget hotel stays to get a free night and make a little bit of cash. And that's how you get free hotels at Choice Hotels. If you've enjoyed this, please like, follow, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'll see if I can help. And until next time.